Bengal tiger. The regal striped predator, the Bengal tiger, with its striking orange coat and black stripes, is a symbol of power and elegance. As the largest member of the cat family, it can weigh up to 500 pounds and measure over 10 feet from head to tail. Found mainly in India and parts of Southeast Asia, the Bengal tiger roams forests, grasslands, and mangroves, marking its territory with a commanding presence. Tigers are known for their solitary, stealthy hunting style. Their ability to blend into their surroundings despite their bold colors is a testament to nature's artistry. Unfortunately, tigers are critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss, making conservation efforts crucial to preserving this majestic predator.